Hidden in the heart of lush coffee plantations lies Abbey Falls, a stunning cascade best experienced during or after the monsoon. The mist, the roar, and the greenery make it a photographer's dream and a nature lover's paradise. Step into serenity at the Namdroling Monastery in Kupa. With golden statues, peaceful chants, and vibrant Tibetan architecture, this is where time seems to stand still. Get up close and personal with gentle giants at Dubare Elephant Camp. Bathe, feed, and bond with elephants by the river Coorg, a rare and joyful experience. Once the royal retreat of Kodava kings, Raja's Seat offers breathtaking views of the valley, especially magical at sunset, a perfect place to pause and reflect. For those who seek adventure and silence, Mandalpatti viewpoint is your answer. Jeep rides through rugged terrain lead to misty peaks and endless horizons. Trek through the Brahmagiri hills to reach Abbey Falls, a hidden marvel gushing through dense forests. It's not just a trek, it's a journey into the wild. Welcome to India's coffee country. Tour Coorg's aromatic plantations, sip freshly brewed beans and stay in cozy homestays tucked amidst the green. Coorg isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. Plan your journey now and unlock the beauty of Karnataka's best-kept secret. Subscribe for more travel gems.